Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. Jack was 14 years old. He loved basketball more than anything in the world. Every day after school, Jack goes to the basketball court. He practices shooting. He practices dribbling. He dreams of joining the school basketball team. The school team is very good. They win many competitions. Jack watches them play and thinks, one day, I will be on that team. One day, the coach announces tryouts for the basketball team. Tryouts means testing to see who can join the team. Jack is very excited. He goes to the tryouts with hope in his heart. Many students come to try. They are all tall and strong. Jack is shorter than most boys, but he tries his best. He runs fast. He shoots the ball. He plays with all his energy. At the end, the coach reads the list of names. Jack listens carefully. The coach says many names, but he does not say Jack's name. Jack did not make the team. He feels heartbroken. Heartbroken means very sad and disappointed. Jack walks home slowly. His eyes fill with tears. He thinks, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I should quit. That night, Jack's father sees him sad. He asks, "What is wrong, son?" Jack says, "I failed, Dad. I did not make the basketball team. Maybe basketball is not for me." His father sits beside him. He says, "Jack, failure is not the end. It is the beginning. Every great player has failed many times." But Jack does not feel better. He feels like giving up. The next morning, Jack walks past the basketball court. He sees the team practicing. Part of him wants to walk away forever. But then, something happens. Jack remembers why he loves basketball. He remembers the feeling of the ball in his hands. He remembers the joy of making a basket. Jack makes a decision. He decides not to give up. He decides to practice harder than ever. Every morning before school, Jack wakes up early. He goes to the court and practices for 1 hour. Every evening after school, he practices for 2 more hours. He practices shooting 100 times each day. He practices dribbling. He runs to get faster. He exercises to get stronger. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. Jack never stops practicing. Months pass. Jack changes. He becomes faster. He becomes stronger. His shots become more accurate. Accurate means hitting the target correctly. Other kids at the court notice. They say, "Wow, Jack, you got so much better." Jack's father watches him practice every day. He feels proud of his son's determination. Determination means the quality of never giving up. One day, the coach walks by the court. He stops and watches Jack practicing. Jack does not see the coach. He just keeps practicing, focused and determined. The coach is impressed. Impressed means feeling admiration for someone. A year passes. The coach announces tryouts again. Jack's heart beats fast. Should he try again? What if he fails again? But Jack remembers his father's words. Failure is not the end. It is the beginning. Jack goes to the tryouts. This time, he is different. He is faster. He is stronger. He is more skilled. During the tryouts, Jack plays amazingly. He makes difficult shots. He moves quickly. He works well with others. All the other players notice. They think, "Who is this player? He is so good." At the end of the tryouts, the coach reads the names. Jack's heart pounds. He closes his eyes and hopes. The coach says, "And finally, Jack Martinez." Jack cannot believe it. His name! The coach called his name. He made the team. Jack's eyes fill with tears, but this time they are happy tears. All his hard work paid off. The coach walks up to Jack. He says, "Jack, I remember you from last year. You did not give up. You practiced every day. That is the spirit of a true champion. Welcome to the team." Jack learned something important that day. Success does not come from never failing. Success comes from never giving up. Today, Jack is the captain of the basketball team. He leads his team to many victories. When young players ask him, "How did you become so good?" Jack tells them his story. He says, "I failed. I got rejected. I felt like quitting, but I chose to keep going. Every champion has failed. The difference is they never gave up." Jack's story teaches us something important. Life will knock you down. You will face rejection. You will fail sometimes. That is normal. But winners are not people who never fall. Winners are people who get up every time they fall. Never give up on your dreams. Keep trying. Keep practicing. Keep believing. Your time will come. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every champion was once a loser who refused to give up. When you fail, you have two choices: quit or keep going. Choose to keep going. Your success is waiting for you.